All right, very well done, math students. You've worked your way through the welcome email through the Canvas homepage, and you have found the first page of the Getting Started module. So what I like to do in this video, just to kind of walk you real quick through what you're going to be seeing in the Getting Started module and in the module area itself. And then just as a reminder, again, if the videos seem a little blurry, if the pages seem blurry, that means that the video didn't upload in its largest quality. So again, hit the little gear sign to the bottom right, change it to the highest form. I think it's HD or 1040. Canvas usually puts things in 720 or 740, and so things can get a little blurry or grainy. So just make sure you do that before we get started. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Right? And what you should be seeing right now is our Canvas home screen, right? Which I pretty much walked you through in the last video. Let me go ahead and put you in student mode for a while. So again, there's the video you watched, all right? The to-do list, right? And then you either got to the Getting Started module by pressing on the Getting Started button, or you went to modules and you saw the getting started page, right? And the very first one's a welcome to Math 121 page. So however you get there, right? So let me go ahead and go back to the home page and press it there. So when I press the getting started module, right, what I'm in is that first page of the welcome 121. There's the video you're currently watching. So each page of this module basically gives you a framework. I try to borrow and steal ideas and expectations, especially from the syllabus, so that you know kind of all the rules and regulation for the course. So please make sure you read each page carefully. Make sure you understand. If you don't, ask questions. All right. But in this first page, I'm just going to talk about, what you'll need to be doing each week in this course, the resources you're going to need. Um, do you need a textbook? We do not. All right. All the videos and guided notes should be enough for you to do the quiz and homework sets. And then what you're expected to learn in this course. If you press next, the next page basically goes over. You basically meet me. So that's almost my introduction for you. So pictures with me and my grandkids, as well as a little bit about me and my math background and my family. So I expect the same thing from you later in your introductions. The next page talks about tutoring, where to find it, the hours that we have in-person Math Solution, as well as how to enlist on our Encore online on Discord. If you press next, the next page talks again a little bit more establishing expectations. Again, some things to read and some videos for you to watch, especially since this is an online class. Things are a little bit different on an online class. You might want to make sure you watch these videos, make sure you're really ready to engage in an online course when you're expected to be a self-starter. You're not listening to me in class, once or twice or three times a week telling you what to do. You basically have to get online and get things done. So please watch those videos and share some ideas. If you press next, again, I kind of reiterate what you just learned. Those are kind of holistic about how to be successful in an online course, but those are some ideas about how to be successful in our online math course. So please make sure you read those ideas. Again, what you'll need to be in order to be successful. Again, I give you kind of an idea of what's going to be happening day by day, how to break down a Canvas lesson module, whatnot, when we officially get there, which our first modules do, I think on this coming Thursday or whatnot, after you've finished all your review testing and all the first week items. So please take a look at that. Make sure you understand what you're going to be doing almost every single day, Monday through Friday. Again, how should you get started? This kind of mimics the welcome email that I gave you, right? You've watched the syllabus, or excuse me, you've read the syllabus, you've watched the video, and then plus there's some things that you have to get done so you don't get dropped from the class. So make sure you directly reply to my welcome email. Make sure you do the practice assignment that's coming up. Make sure you write your introduction, right? And get your review test done so we can grade and assess your ability to be ready for this class. All right. All those things need to be done successfully. So follow directions, make sure you're doing them right. That way you won't get dropped from the class because we're trying to establish, can you follow directions? Can you read emails? Are you watching videos? Right. And if you can't do that, there's no sense of me keeping you around. So make sure you're doing that, showing me that you're prepared. If you press next, right, there's a link to the syllabus. Again, I gave it to you already in the welcome email. I gave it to you on the home page. There's another link to it. So make sure if you haven't done it by now, upload it, read it, make sure you go through everything. And then, of course, the next page, I have you actually take a quiz, letting me know that you did get the syllabus. I'll let you take the quiz on your, well, let me just kind of show you how that done. It's a pretty easy quiz, right? You're just going to tell me true or false if you can answer all those questions, which you should if you've been following along, right? So pretty easy 2 points there for you to just make sure you're doing the syllabus. And then there's a syllabus quiz. All right. So I'm going to ask you some questions, some true or false questions, or some multiple choice questions about what you should be doing. So I don't want to do that in front of you. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to modules, right? That you answer those questions. All right. So you can kind of see again from the modules, I just walked you through these pages leading all the way up to our syllabus confirmation and quiz. So after you finish the quiz that I just shared with you, the next page is the practice assignment. Again, there's another video I made to show you how to do the practice assignment successfully. It's one of the items that you need to do successfully so that you're not dropped from the class. Again, have that done by May 28th in this case. If this is a previous course, that date might be a little bit different, but everybody has a due date. And again, if you do not successfully complete this, as I directed in the video, all right, you'll be dropped from the class if you don't get it by the deadline. If you press next, this is a discussion board where you get the chance to introduce yourself. Again, I'm giving you some specific things you need to include in it. As a matter of fact, it should look like my introduction, right? There should be over 200 words. We should get to know a little about you and your math history, see at least one or two pictures of you or some things that interest you. Make sure you also resize them because if everybody puts in too many big pictures, the board's going to get crazy. So I'm making you know how to do that. I describe how to do that in the discussion board video I gave. So make sure you watch it. I show you exactly how to embed a picture, upload a picture, resize the picture so that your introduction looks like mine. Then when you press next, you're pretty much done with all the first week stuff and you're ready to start your review. Again, I made another video that actually show you where to go, how to get to your review and how to get that started. Okay, so again, let me press modules. And I just walked you through our getting started module and all the pages, all right, of information. Please make sure you read each page. All the stuff to earn points. There's the last, what, 5 pages right there, right? That's all the first week material that needs to be done by the deadline. And then there's your review module, all right? Again, I described in the video what you'll do, so I'll let that video speak for itself. All right, so there is your getting started module. All right, get started on it now. Don't wait until the deadline because that's already the kiss of death, like I told you guys. So get it going, get started, get it done early so you can start your review and give it a good, honest assessment to how you're doing on your algebra, right, in your preparation for this class. If you have questions, please email me. Other than that, let me go ahead and stop sharing. I will see you guys online or in emails coming soon. Talk to you later.